Hey everybody, this is Andy Schreier with Stone Security, and I'm here with Steve Jusom from Axis, who's the product manager over one of the coolest new technologies. Steve, will you tell us a little bit about Private LTE Backbox?
Thank you very much, Andy. I'm happy to be here with you and Stone Security, and I couldn't be more excited about this latest innovation from Axis. So we are now bringing to market a private 5G backbox that is going to be able to support Axis products. So companies like yourself that deploy private 5G networks and deploy our security cameras are now going to be able to take this product and pair it with the private 5G systems that you can deploy to bring a solution like this to your end customers.
This is wonderful, Steve. What types of end users are you thinking this will be most effective for?
So we're seeing a lot of need coming from airports, manufacturing, critical infrastructure, but even cities and municipalities are starting to explore private 5G. And the reason being is because Wi-Fi is starting to become too congested. And what these types of end customers need, they need high throughput and high reliability, low latency, and high cybersecurity, and that's exactly what private 5G can give them.
This is wonderful news for us. Bearcom and Stone has a pretty unique advantage in the space with our ability with private LTE networks. How does that help Axis get more of these out into the customer's hands?
Having partners like Stone Security that have the experience of not only being years of partners, like 20 years?
20 years.
Partners with Axis?
20 years.
So you understand our products and technology so well. But this is a new industry for Axis, so we're so excited that you guys have the competency with the Bearcom side to help us work together to expand into this market where we can jointly bring private 5G to all of your end customers.
Thank you so much for taking a minute with me, man. What a pleasure chatting with you, Steve.
No problem. Thank you so much, and thank you for the partnership.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.